When life gives you lemons, make lemonade and sell them to supermarkets. I'm not joking. A friend of mine runs We Made Drinks, a drinks company which started as a lemonade company at university. The demand for soft drinks continues to rise as companies like Coca-Cola make a killing. Low sugar healthy soft drinks are a current trend you could tap into. To get started, you will need lemons. Also, a production facility, bottling equipment, asset finance is an option if you want to separate the cost, and much more alongside the relevant licenses, whether you are using a home or commercial premises to produce the lemonade alternate soft drinks. You also need to build an attractive brand, website, and marketing materials you can sell directly into supermarkets. Though the margin may be low and it's time consuming to get such contracts. Or you can start simply with a mobile lemonade stand you can take to festivals, community events, and high traffic locations. Innocent tested their first smoothies at a festival.